Today we're making a mayo-free chicken salad. We're going to start with 3 chicken leg quarters in our Instant Pot. You can cook on your stovetop if you'd like, but I love how quick the Instant Pot cooks chicken. Add 1 cup of water and another half cup of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of your favorite chicken bouillon brand. For us, that's chicken flavored Knorr Suiza. Just break that down a little bit and pour onto your chicken. Add 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I usually use fresh garlic, but I found this hidden in my pantry and need to use it up. On your Instant Pot, press the pressure cook or manual setting and cook your thawed chicken for 10 minutes on high. Remove the Keep Warm feature. My Instant Pot Max has an extra venting option that releases bursts of steam in intervals. I will select that option, but if you do not have this feature, I do a quick release. After about a minute of pulse release, I'm going to do a quick release. For anyone that has this machine, you'll see the small icon on the top left go from red to white or off once the pressure has been released. And here's our perfectly cooked chicken. Set aside to cool. For the rest of the ingredients, we're going to need yogurt, garlic, pepper, salt, walnuts, cream cheese, celery, and onion. Let's dice the onion and set aside. Same thing for the celery. I like to cut mine the same size as the onion. Does anyone else remove the stringy part of the celery? My mom would always do it, but just wondering how many of you do that. Now let's chop the walnuts and set aside. Our chicken is now ready to shred. I do take a long time shredding because I'm picky about the bones, anything slimy looking, nerves, etc. Now cut into small pieces, but not too small. Think about it going on a cracker and not wanting it too big that you can't bite into it or that it falls, but not too small that you can't see it. Once you're done, set the chicken aside. In a large bowl, place the cream cheese and 1 cup of yogurt. The amount of cream cheese that I used was about 2/3 of a block. Mix that well. My cream cheese was not at room temperature, so it was a little lumpy. No worries, it'll come out fine. Let's add some garlic. That's about 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, about 1/2 teaspoon. And about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then mix that well. I'm going to add the chicken at the end to avoid over mixing it and causing the chicken to shred even further. Now add 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of walnuts, and 1 cup of the onions. Just give that a mix. And once you're done mixing, give that a taste and make sure that it's to your liking. I have to confess, I added 2 ingredients after filming this video. My parents enjoy a mayo-based chicken salad and said they missed that mayo flavor. I added the juice of 1/2 lemon and about 3/4 cup of cotija cheese. Yes, this sounds strange, but trust me, it added more flavor to it and helped give it that tanginess that it was missing for all those mayo chicken salad lovers out there. If you do not have cotija, sub for Parmesan cheese, but try 1/2 cup first since Parmesan cheese has a stronger taste. So gently mix your chicken with the rest of your ingredients, and there you have it, a mayo-free chicken salad. Here's Maple trying out a little bit of celery. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Está bien. That's a good girl, Maple.